Republicans are full of shit on every issue, but especially on immigration. They always rant and rave about the crisis at the border and claim Democrats want open borders. They're not doing enough to secure our border. They want open borders. And then they cite statistics on arrests at the border and deportations. There's been a record high number of arrests at the border. But if it was an open border, there wouldn't be any... I don't think if I explain it, it will actually help. So I'm just going to skip to the next part. Texas Governor Wpmot recently installed razor wire along the border because he is a soulless piece of shit. The Biden administration said, hey, you can't do that. Abbott said, yes, I can, and had the Texas National Guard essentially prevent Border Patrol from taking down the razor wire or helping any immigrants. They actually made the Border Patrol look like the good guys in this situation. What the fuck is going on? So eventually, the case went to court. It went all the way up to the Supreme Court, and the majority Republican Supreme Court actually sided with the Biden administration, and they told Wpmot, you can't do that, you fucking psychopath. And then the Republican law and order governor told the Supreme Court of the United States, fuck you, I'm gonna do what I want. The Supreme Court is not Republican enough for this lunatic. In fact, it's not Republican enough for 25 other Republican governors who signed on to this fucking unity pact, like it's fucking middle school, saying that they stand with Texas, that Texas should defy the Supreme Court ruling. And this is all happening as Republicans in Congress rejected a deal on immigration where the Biden administration basically gave them everything they wanted. They gave them so many concessions, which is what they always do. Instead of embracing Democratic ideology and supporting immigrants and making the arguments in favor of immigrants, they try to compromise. It never works. Because it's never enough. And it will never be enough until you just let Republicans start shooting immigrants. And it sounds like an exaggeration, but Governor Wpmot literally just said the only reason they're not shooting immigrants is because the Biden administration would charge them with murder. Yeah, because that's murder. You fucking psychopath.